Aloha and welcome to the Joy of Crafting. And you know, we always get so many requests how to make a simple lei from ribbon. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to show you how to make the single braided lei and the double braided lei, which is great for 3 colors. So let's get started. What you need, of course, is ribbon. And it's preferable that you get ribbon that is the same width and same type. So this is the simple braided one. All you have to do is make your loops, and I have the tails coming out on the top. Okay, put this in. Now I take the tail and I leave it on the side, and I bring it up from the bottom, and then you're gonna stick it in here. And then down here, I'm gonna pull it tight. Now it's going that way. I'm holding it in my left hand, and my right hand is free, so I can take the ribbon, loop it, and put it through. And I kind of pull it through like this. Now as I pull it through, I need to pull this white one. So I'm actually going to switch hands, pull the white one, and now I'm holding it in my right hand, and my left hand is free. Now to finish it, I'm going to continue the pattern. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take this red. I'm not going to loop it. I'm just going to bring it up, turn it like I'm going to loop it, and put it through. Now for the white one, all I need to do is grab it and turn it over like so. And then I take this and I'll tie it into a knot together. I'll cinch this, and then this one will be cinched. Now the tricky one that a lot of people want to do is what they call the double braid. So my pair is red and black. So I'm going to have to take the black and put it through the red. So I'm going to, again, grab the longer black and loop it and put it through the red. And then I'm going to grab the long red and pull it to secure that black. So I have the white coming out. I have to take the longer red and put it through. Same way to end it. When you're done doing all your weaves, you're going to actually just take this, slip it through to continue that weave, and you're going to gather this up. And again, with this one, you're going to go that weave and gather all 4 up, and you're going to be done. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you had fun learning how to make the simple braided leis. And don't forget, I'm just an everyday crafter like a lot of you, and I like learning new things and finding out how fun it is to craft. I hope that you can get inspired by some of our projects on our YouTube channel, The Joy of Crafting, or follow us on Instagram at The Joy of Crafting, or even Facebook, The Joy of Crafting. We have lots of projects, all kind of different ideas, and a lot of times I'll have different guests too, who's going to take you to a whole nother level of crafting. So until the next time, happy crafting. You, me, we're all, no. So what did I say? Nah. So I hope you can I don't know what I'm saying. I keep saying so. Never mind. But we also have to, and I think that's going to be it.
That is.
Because I don't know what
that was a good one.
I don't know what I say.